A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. A word of advice for all of we. All of we. No look for man big you up. I better you look for God big you up. Because when God big you up, you are well bigged up. Remember me tell you. Today, me going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 5 from verse 31 to verse 47. If I ungle me one, I tell people about myself, then when I say no what nothing, but you have somebody else where say things about me, and me know say all the way my talk say what's something. When say a true. On a send go ask John about me, and him talk truth. I don't say me want people to talk about me. My uncle telling about this, so God can save you. John did come in like a one lamp where burn and give out light. And only did glad for the light for a little bit. But something else there we show who me be. And it what more than what John said about me. And there's something them when my father give me for do. The same one them when me I don't know. And them sure say, and the father send me come. And the father said things about me too. Una never hear him voice yet. And una never see him for know how him look. None at all. And una not take in what he say about me in our heart. Because una not trust in the one when he send come. Una study and study God word hard. Because una think that are gonna make una know how una can live forever. But the said word when you study talk about me. And you still now come to me so they can get to have real life. Me now look for get big up from people. But me know no and on the turn. You now have no love for God in your heart. Me come because my father send me come. And you turn on the back for me. But if somebody else, when nobody no send, ever come to you take them in. I want to believe in me when you love to get big up from one another. I want to believe in me when you not try to make the one and only God big up. But no things say me go and point finger upon uno and say no guilty when time when you turn up in front of my father. No. And Moses go and do it. The same one when you think say would help uno. If you believe in Moses, you would have believed in me. Because me, him did right about. But since you don't believe when you right say, then I only go and believe when me they tell you no. God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.